Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 50-150mm f2 G Master lens. With its constant f2 aperture and superb quality glass, the Sony FE 50-150mm takes your telephoto zoom to a whole new level, delivering excellent image quality, speed and reliability. Compact in size and weighing in at just 1,340 grams, it becomes a smart choice for those not wanting to carry a multitude of lenses with them. Construction-wise, it's dust and moisture resistant, with 19 elements in 17 groups. We've got 3 extra low dispersion glass elements, 2 super ED elements, 2 aspherical and 2 extreme aspherical lenses, along with their nano AR coating too, all of which help to suppress chromatic aberration and effectively subdue flare and ghosting. The redefined optics also allow for corner-to-corner resolution and rendering for beautiful image quality, while the 11-blade circular aperture produces some gorgeous smooth full bokeh. The 4 powerful XD linear motors and internal focusing offer you precise, quiet and fast autofocus in both stills and video. And if you're pairing this lens with one of Sony's higher end bodies, like the A9 III, then your focus tracking will keep up with the 120 frames per second burst shooting. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see: your focus mode switch, focus hold button, which you can assign your preferred functions to, focus ring, zoom ring, aperture control ring, aperture click switch and your iris lock switch. We've also got our tripod mount and a metal and engineering plastic construction, which helps give you that high durability and low weight. So we've got a really nice focal range on here, everything from that standard 50mm all the way through to the 150mm telephoto, and that just means that this lens will be quite versatile in being able to capture a ton of different subjects. Now, the things that kind of first spring to mind where this lens will be best suited would be things like weddings or other indoor events or sporting events where maybe you don't always have the best lighting, and that's where that f2 constant aperture comes into play. Or you just don't have a lot of room to move around and you need a lens that's going to be able to do a little bit of everything. Now, I'm probably not going to be able to go and gate crush a wedding to test this lens out, but the things that I'm kind of hoping to shoot would be mainly portraiture, whether that is of people or animals, and also some video as well, just to generally test out how well the lens performs and to really see how smooth that bokeh gets. While this isn't a macro lens, it does still offer you excellent close-up performance, and that's thanks to its floating focus mechanism. With a minimum focus distance of 40 centimeters, it will be great at capturing those little details like the ring exchange or party favors. As you'd expect from a G Master lens, it has been really nice to use, and its size and build lend itself really comfortably to being able to handheld shoot for a long period of time, and that's something that I very much like and appreciate in a lens. I also really like the little details, so that new little filter window inside the lens hood just makes for a really easy, breezy user experience when it comes to working with filters, NDs, circular polarizers, etc. I've been shooting with the Sony a7R5 and this has just been a really beautiful pairing. I've really been enjoying the speed that I've been getting from both the lens and the camera, but also the sharpness that that lens is providing. Now, if you are somebody who wants a portrait lens that is going to be great for those indoor events and weddings or sporting events, anywhere where you really want that crisp edge-to-edge sharpness, and you want to make sure that your subject can maybe pop away from your background with some beautiful bokeh, then this is the lens for you. And it's going to save you having to carry around multiple lenses too. So if you're somebody who swaps a lot between primes because you don't want to compromise on quality, then maybe take a look at this lens. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony FE 50-150mm f2 G Master, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.